Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If is showing, try another device to continue and you cannot log in, don't worry, this video will help you fix it. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get start. First, now enable aeroplane mode and turn off aeroplane mode. Okay, and check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. Okay, back and go to your phone settings and scroll down. Now click on the apps option and now search here Instagram app and click on the Instagram app and scroll down. Now click on the force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now tap on the storage and clear cache and clear data, delete, go back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission, calendar, call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby device, notifications, phone, photos and videos. Okay, allow all permission. Okay, back and go to Play Store and now tap on the search bar and search Instagram app and check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated. Okay, go back. Now restart your phone and reopen it in your phone and go to your Instagram. And I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.